Hi everyone, in this video I will discuss about best books for bacteriology. The link of all these books will be given in the description. In our list first book is Prescott's Microbiology, written by Joanne Wiley, Linda Sherwood, and Christopher J. Wolverton. The author team of Prescott's Microbiology continues the tradition of past editions by providing a balanced, comprehensive introduction to all major areas of microbiology. This balance makes microbiology appropriate for microbiology majors and mixed majors courses. The authors have introduced a number of pedagogical elements designed to facilitate student learning. They also remain focused on readability, artwork, and the integration of several key themes, including evolution, ecology, and diversity, throughout the text, making an already superior text even better. In our list, second book is Pelczar Microbiology, written by Michael Pelczar, J.R. Chen ECS and Krieg N.R. This text by the well-known authors of microbiology, concepts and applications emphasizes the importance of integrating new knowledge gained through basic research with applied research and development programs. One of the main features of this text is a presentation of the classification of bacteria in a totally new format. Material on metabolism, bacterial genetics, and genetic engineering and reorganized the section on microorganisms and disease. In our list, third book is Principle of Microbiology, written by Ronald M. Atlas. This brand new textbook provides a general introduction to microbiology, emphasizing the principles and then, in light of those principles, carefully explaining chosen applications. Processes are explained first on the biological level and then on the chemical or molecular level, providing students with the whole picture of how processes occur. Each of the book's 7 units emphasizes a specific principle of microbial life and is supported by a spectacular art program. This, in our list, fourth book is Microbiology, an introduction, written by Gerard J. Tortora, Burdell R. Funk, Christine L. Case. Praised for its exceptionally clear presentation of complex topics, this number one selling text for microbiology non-majors provides a careful balance of concepts and applications, proven art that teaches, and the most robust, dynamic media in mastering microbiology. The 12th edition of Tortora, Funk, and Cases Microbiology, an introduction focuses on big picture concepts and themes in microbiology, encouraging students to visualize and synthesize tough topics such as microbial metabolism, immunology, and microbial genetics. The text and accompanying resources also help students make connections between microbiology theory and disease diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. In our list, fifth book is Brock Biology of Microorganisms, written by Michael T. Madigan, John M. Martinko, David P. Clark, David A. Stahl. The authoritative number one textbook for introductory majors in microbiology, Brock Biology of Microorganisms continues to set the standard for impeccable scholarship, accuracy, and outstanding illustrations and photos. This book for biology, microbiology, and other science majors balances cutting-edge research with the concepts essential for understanding the field of microbiology. In addition to a new co-author, David Stahl, who brings coverage of cutting-edge microbial ecology research and symbiosis to a brand new chapter, Chapter 25, a completely revised overview chapter on immunology, Chapter 28, a new big ideas section at the end of each chapter, and a wealth of new photos and art make the 13th edition better than ever. Brock Biology of Microorganisms speaks to today's students while maintaining the depth and precision science majors need. In our list, sixth book is Microbiology, a Laboratory Manual, by James G. Cappuccino, Natalie Sherman. Versatile, comprehensive, and clearly written, this competitively priced laboratory manual can be used with any undergraduate microbiology text and now features brief clinical applications for each experiment and a new experiment on hand washing. Microbiology, a laboratory manual, is known for its thorough coverage, descriptive and straightforward procedures, and minimal equipment requirements. A broad range of experiments helps to convey basic principles and techniques. Each experiment includes an overview, an in-depth discussion of the principle involved, easy to follow procedures, and lab reports with review and critical thinking questions. Ample introductory material and laboratory safety instructions are provided. In our list, seventh book is General Microbiology and Explorations by Roger Y. Stanier, John L. Ingraham, Mark L. Wheelis, Rage R. Painter. In this book, you will learn about the beginnings of microbiology, the methods of microbiology, the nature of the microbial world, microbial metabolism fueling reactions, microbial metabolism, biosynthesis polymerization assembly, the relation between structure and function in prokaryotic cells, microbial growth. In our list, eighth book is Microbiology Principles and Explorations by Jacqueline G. Black, Laura J. Black. Microbiology, Principles and Explorations has been a best-selling textbook for several editions due to the author's engaging writing style where her passion for the subject shines through the narrative. The text's student-friendly approach provides readers with an excellent introduction to the study of microbiology. This text is appropriate for non-major and mixed major microbiology courses, as well as allied health, agriculture, and food sciences courses. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel to get more video. To get the note related to this video, please visit www.microbiologynode.com. The link of this article will be given in video description.